and a really warm welcome to Templates for Change, Harmonising with Nature series. This is a 10-minute contemplation, and my name is Christine Thompson. This one is called The Beauty Beyond the Beauty We See, or Nature's Hidden Wonder. Now, we all know that nature is absolutely awesome, full of beauty and wonder, and often stops us in our tracks. Just one example is the reappearance of the spring flowers after the long, bleak months of winter. Isn't it always breathtaking? And the photograph here is of primroses, pink and yellow, in amongst forget-me-nots. And I remember very well the day that I saw them over at some very beautiful gardens at Llanhyron in West Wales. Beautiful. Yet, if you look even more closely at flowers, they reveal a hidden beauty, an unseen template, you might call it. And so here are some close-ups on the left and the middle from the photograph on the previous slide, the primroses and the forget-me-nots. And if you look really closely, you'll see a little five-fold pattern. And then look to the right, and I've put in two other photographs here. One is of a yellow columbine and the other a purple periwinkle. And the pattern is even more clear, really jumps out here. Absolutely gorgeous. And you'll find that very, very many flowers do have this five-fold shape. And once you see it, you can't stop seeing it. And you find the same five-fold pattern in very, very many places in nature. On the seashore, this is a starfish, and you'll often see one washed up along the coastline. Beautiful pentagram shape. Even on the inside of an apple. This is one that I just cut open. If you slice it along the middle, you get this absolutely gorgeous shape on the inside, formed up by the seeds. And I hope you can see it quite clearly here. Again, this template of 5 in all manner of places. Some obvious, like the starfish, but some not so obvious, like this gorgeous red apple. Other flowers reveal a pattern of 6, like this gorgeous yellow daffodil, with its 2 interlocking triangles of 3 petals each. And interestingly, this echoes the Jewish symbol, which is called the Star of David or Seal of Solomon, which appears again and again within religious art. The examples here are both Jewish, but you'll find the same pattern in Islamic design or in Christian stained glass windows. It's amazing how nature is very often the inspiration for some of the most exquisite of human. Here's another example of 6, the crystalline patterns of snowflakes, all based on the number 6. And what is absolutely stunning is that no 2 identical snowflakes have ever been found. And can you just imagine how many billions of snowflakes have fallen over the centuries? It really is quite something. Oh, one could look at these photos for a very long time. Something about them just talks to me anyway. Rather reminds me of some of the Chinese art, the Chinese hexagrams that one finds in the I Ching. Another interesting connection. So one can walk into a field of snow like I did here, and it is absolutely dazzling. You know, it's clean, it's clear, it's white, it's bright. It's quite extraordinary to stand in the middle of a field of snow. It's very, very beautiful. But doesn't it enhance the beauty when you come to think of the intricacy, the geometry, and the engineering which lies behind those first impressions? Nature's growth patterns truly are amazing. Take this fern as an example, as it unfurls in its spiral shape. This particular fern is from Queensland in Australia, but you'll find the same pattern the world over, and I'm sure you know these are one of the world's oldest plants, having been on the planet for literally millions of years. And this same spiral is to be found all over the place. Look at this fossilized shell on the left, or this rather gorgeous white camellia in the middle. And how about the wonderful spiral galaxy on the right? We find there is a cohesive growth pattern throughout the universe, all growing according to what's called the golden mean, or the Fibonacci series, for those of you with an interest in the sacred geometry side of things. And the pattern revealed here in the centre of a sunflower is very stunning indeed. So, beauty is all around us. But what this contemplation about is the hidden beauty, that other beauty, the one which lies within the patterns, within the cohesion, and within the continuity which we find throughout the natural worlds. And this is perhaps even more profound, more awesome, because it reveals a permanence and a stability which is so very, very refreshing, perhaps reassuring, in these very fast changing times in which we are living. Thank you for joining us today. I do hope the contemplation has had some value for you. And if you'd like to know more about TFC and our programs, then please do drop into the website www.templatesforchange.org. Bye for now.